Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can submit your traveler declaration, IMUGA Traveller Declaration, when you travel to Maldives. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case we take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, like many countries, Maldives has this process so that they know who is coming to their borders. Okay, and this you need to submit 96 up to 96 hours before your um, arrival. So in front of, I have already shown you this video on desktop, but I can gonna show you how you can do it even online. So when you reach here on this official website, you have three options. Either you can submit a new declaration, you can edit declaration, and you can also verify your QR code that you have got before. So let's say when you are coming here, click on new declaration. Now if you the first is to scan passport. Okay, what it does when you do it is it fills the other portions of the declaration, the other fields of the form automatically by fetching the information from your passport. But you can skip also, but I recommend do it. Okay, next is to purpose of visit, why you are going there. So I select holiday. You need to do as per your own case. All the values you see is gonna be sample. Now given name, surname, and gender, date of birth. I'm gonna fill some sample. Okay guys, so I have filled some sample. Name, gender, date of birth, passport details, expiry date, nationality, country of residence. You need to fill it up as per your own case, and then you have to upload a picture and then going to next. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, next is travel details, arrival, when you are coming, or a country of departure. So origin, country of departure, I select Canada. Port of entry, arrival date, when you are coming, let's say now. Flight number, wow, they have all the details. PNR number, length of stays in date. I have put some accommodation details. Accommodation details, select accommodation. Oh wow, they have everything. Departure, provide details of departure, airport, date, and you also have to select the date, port of departure, and destination after Maldives. Then go for next. Health declaration, please answer the following questions to complete your health declaration. Okay, have you received or visited any of the above countries within last 6 years before your arrival? I select no. When you go to the next, you go for declaration and you'll complete the process. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but this is how it works, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.